Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X4 GT, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you will want to open up your contacts application. Make sure you open up the standalone version of it. You can also access contacts from Dialer, but in there you won't find the option to import contacts. So that's why I'm referring to the standalone contact application. From here, click on the three bars, navigate to settings, and as you can see there is the import option. When you click on it, it asks you where you want to import contacts from. So obviously I will be selecting SIM card, and this will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. From here you can deselect contacts that you might not want, and if you see some contacts that are already deselected and grayed out to the point that you cannot select them yourself, that's completely fine. Those contacts already exist on your phone, and the device is simply stopping you from creating duplicate contacts. Anyway, once you have everything selected that you do want, click on the import button right at the top. This will import all selected contacts, which then you can find in your contacts list. And that is how you can import your contacts. Now additionally, you have this button right over here. As you can see, it is showing right now a phone, but when you click on it, you have also a couple additional options, probably in your case. In mine, I don't really. Sometimes it shows you a SIM as an option to change to that as well, though it doesn't do that for me for some reason. But additionally, and probably more importantly, it should show your Google account. And you can switch between them, so it will show you either contacts from your phone or from your Google account. And you can obviously also import contacts to your Google account instead of your phone. But as you've seen, I have chosen to do that on my phone. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.